Let's now shift our attention to Madagascar, where turmoil continues as the military officers who seized power in the country in a protest crisis have said that their leader will be sworn in as the country's new president on Friday. This is the African Union has announced to suspend Madagascar with immediate effect. The decision comes after the army took charge of the country. Madagascar's new military ruler is all set to be sworn in as the president, and he's dissolved all institutions except for the lower house of the parliament or the National Assembly.
We will be sworn in soon. I don't know who is valid and who is not.
The suspension from the 55-member African Union is a huge setback for Madagascar. The move will leave the island nation isolated diplomatically, and it also opens the way for political and diplomatic sanctions. The primary goal of a suspension is to pressurize the unconstitutional regime to restore the democratic order in the country. Now, Madagascar's High Constitutional Court has called for some fresh elections, and as per the order, elections must take place within the next 60 days. And the military leader has vowed to uphold the order and to abide by the law.
We took responsibility yesterday when we made that declaration. Afterwards, the High Constitutional Court issued its own statement calling for elections within 60 days. Once the HCC made its decision, we are people of the law. We follow what is legal. What the HCC did is lawful. It's true that it doesn't correspond to what we wanted to do or to what Gen Z expected, but that's the law, and we will all abide by it.
And our correspondent Louisa Olani has been tracking all the developments and has sent us this report. Listen in.
Antananarivo seems calm, although the atmosphere remains with uncertainty as CAPSAT commander Michael Randrianirina is due to be sworn in as transitional president on Friday. There have been wide condemnations from international bodies, including African Union Commission, that has announced immediate suspension on Madagascar after the country top court confirmed the colonel as president. It looks like a wave of military takeover of former French colonies since 2020, as there's been military coups from Mali to Burkina Faso, Niger, Gabon, and Guinea. Like his counterpart, Colonel Randrianirina has promised elections at this time within 2 years. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani, WION, World is One.